this part here is not in the datasheet, but this is where you know the strengths. So let's do some milling. This is milled Strenx 1100E. And actually we think often the strength alone is enough, but actually for machining and milling, hardness makes more sense, which is quite uncommon for Strenx, but we have very even hardness through the thickness, which is giving us more predictable cutting speed and feed. Today's milling is actually a great example of premium steel, like Strenx, because it puts very high loads on the material, and then the material really has to behave. In face milling, we have large contact areas, high cutting forces, and real risk of vibration. If the steel is unpredictable, you will see it immediately, in the sound, in the surface, and even in the flatness afterwards. And that, my friends, are called stability. Do you see the flatness of the cutting? Yeah, it's pretty flat. And I'm not surprised at all, because Strenx has low residual stresses. And that means that, for example, in cutting, the forces stay consistent. And for example, the blade stays flat. And the process is simply, after that, is more predictable, which is, very, very, very important to cutting and milling. Like you can see, we are not only testing material properties, we also want to ensure that our workshop properties are in a top-notch level. That's why we are testing here. See you in the next episode.